Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Riverside for multicam editing and captions step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Riverside website in your preferred web browser. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Choose a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Riverside. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Riverside website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. To create a new project, click the New Project button. You will see options for setting up your multicam recording. Select your preferred settings for video and audio inputs. Add additional camera angles as needed by connecting more devices. Once your setup is ready, click on the Record button to start your multicam session. During recording, ensure that all cameras are functioning correctly. After finishing the recording, click on the Stop button. Your recorded footage will be processed and available in your project library. Next, navigate to the editing section of your project. Here, you can select the multicam footage you wish to edit. Use the editing tools provided to cut and arrange your clips. For captions, look for the Captions tab in the editing interface. Click on the option to generate automatic captions for your video. Review and edit the captions as necessary to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your edits and captions, click the Export button. Choose your desired video format and resolution for the final output. Finally, click on Download to save your edited video to your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.